ये मेरे स्क्रीन पे क्या है? Oh, hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yogasini, aka Radhika Bose, and I don't know why I'm talking like this because I just feel like it. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to share, subscribe, and let everyone know how awesome I am. And if you are an existing subscriber, you know I love you. आज का वीडियो है about reaction, reviewing, analyzing, interpreting और कोई fancy word है? चलो लगा देते हैं. We are going to react and review some online Indian fitness cringe videos. We are going to see how much misinformation they're spreading, whether the advice or the tips they're giving are valid or not, and आपको कितना उल्लू बना रहे हैं. Okay, before I continue with the video, this is not an individual attack on anyone. मैं किसी को अफसोस नहीं करना चाहती. I'm just trolling you all. We live in a troll generation. I troll you, you troll me. Don't troll me. I usually blur their faces, but then I realize that if they're benefiting from all the misinformation they're spreading online with the views and likes and sponsorship with brands, then खुल के दिखाओ चेहरा, शर्म मत करो. इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो तो शक्ल भी दिखाओ. So no blurring. Let's watch our first video. इस वीडियो का क्लेम है Want to lose belly fat? Try top 10 high fat burning exercises. You know, it's high fat. It's not low fat. It's not medium fat. It's high fat. मतलब आपके बॉडी में ना फैट की भी एक डिग्री होती है. मीडियम मतलब it's okay. High fat matlab बहुत चर्बी, and low fat matlab you're just fine. So this workout is to lose belly fat because everything revolves around belly fat, and the fact that you can't spot reduce fat इनके दिमाग में तो आता ही नहीं है because there's science, there's so many videos just going on repeating the same thing, but इनको यही बनाना है और यही misinformation spread करना है. So these exercises are high fat. If you do these exercises, your low fat and medium fat will not burn. Only your high fat. Now that I'm done BSing, let's continue and watch this video. Okay.
अरे मैम, मैंने नोटिस किया आप एवरीडे एब्स वर्कआउट करते हो.
हाँ सर, मुझे जल्दी से बेली फैट कम करना है.
बेली फैट कम करने के लिए पहले आपको पूरा बॉडी का फैट कम करना पड़ेगा, एंड उसके लिए टॉप 10 फैट बर्निंग एक्सरसाइज बताता हूँ, तो वीडियो को सेव कर लेना.
Clean press, squat and press, advanced burpee, dumbbell rowing, dumbbell swings, inchworm, duck walk, flow touch, okay, mountain climbing, high knee up. ये लास्ट का पार्ट क्या था? लास्ट का पार्ट है भाई, बहुत गर्मी हो चुकी है आजकल. Important notes. To lose fat, it's very important to do a calorie deficit. Not very important to be in a calorie deficit, but do a calorie deficit. Okay, let's read the caption as well. Are you also doing ab workouts every day to lose belly fat? So stop now. Stop it. Because to lose belly fat, you need to reduce your overall body fat. Absolutely right. You can't spot reduce fat. You have to lose fat from the whole body to see any significant difference in your midriff abdominal region. This means focusing on burning a lot of calories. Partly true, partly false. पूरा correct नहीं है. Try adding the top 10 high calorie burning exercises to your routine. Clean press, 4 sets, 15, 12, 12, 10. This couple, I'm guessing, has mentioned around 10 exercises. These 10 exercises are great. Do them. Do them. They're very good. They build muscle. They help you burn calories. They're good with mobility, muscle strengthening, mobility. I know I'm just repeating. Today is just an off day for me. But, and there is a small but like my butt, these are not high fat burning exercises. Of course they're going to burn calories. They're quite high intensity. They will burn calories, but burning calories is dependent upon your size, height, weight, age. So there is nothing called high fat burning exercises. There's calorie burning exercises. exercises where you will burn a significant amount of calorie. पर आप जब सोचते हो ना कि मैं ये 10 exercise करके मैं 500 या 600 या 1000 कैलोरीज बर्न करूंगी, आप मैक्स टू मैक्स 300 to 400 कैलोरीज बर्न करोगे, जो आपका ब्रेकफास्ट लंच में कंज्यूम हो जाएगा बैक. सो दिस होल फार्स और दिस होल क्लिकबेट टाइटल कि यही एक्सरसाइज आपको हाई फैट बर्निंग करने वाली है इज जस्ट इनकरेक्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग द एक्सरसाइज इज अ बैड, द एक्सरसाइज इज ऑसम, डू इट, बट दिस caption, this text over the video saying these are high fat burning exercises is complete BS. You can't spot reduce fat. He's right, you have to lose fat from the rest of your body to see any changes in your abs, but you can do that by being in a caloric deficit, which he has mentioned at the end of the video कि आपको caloric deficit में होना होगा, calories in versus calories out. But you know what, he could have done this video without doing this clickbait title. It would have been still fine, an A grade video. This has around 4k likes and 6.3k shares. Good, bad, I don't know. And let's see some comments. How much kg of dumbbell here needed? Depends upon your strength. Like I could do these with 20 to 30 kgs, but for you 5 to 10 is comfortable. So you do as per your strength level. Sir, please share some weight gain tips. Okay. Not too many comments, just these 7 comments which are random. lot of likes and a lot of shares. भाईजान, आप बिना ये clickbait टाइटल करके वीडियो भी लगाते तो ये वीडियो अच्छा होता, but you used marketing gimmicks to push your video even further and you have achieved your goal. That's what I wanted to say. Let's go see another video. Just 2 moves before sleep to lose belly fat easily at home. Not difficult, easy. Okay, madam, Auntie G, I love Auntie G. She's my favorite. I'm not going to blur her face anymore because Auntie G has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So she's an influencer. She's a celebrity influencer. And she has fooled 1 million people that by doing this, you lose belly fat easily at home. Just 2 moves. Only 2 moves. So let's see these 2 moves. Okay, I need to wear my headphones. I can't hear what she's saying. Okay, the first move is windshield wiper with your knees bent.
ऐसे कम से कम 30 सेकंड के लिए कंटिन्यू करना है और करते जाइए इस तरीके से. ऐसे बहुत जल्दी आपका लोअर बेली फैट होता है ना, वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. और अगर बेली पूंछ आपको लटकती हुई दिखाई देती है तो वो श्रिंक हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपने अपने लेग्स को खोल लेना है इस तरीके से और साइड टू साइड ऐसे ले जाना है घुमाते हुए.
Okay. I can't watch Auntie G anymore. She's shown 2 moves. They're both windshield wipers. One legs bend, knees bend, and one knee straight. Nothing they'll do for your belly fat. आप अपने बेड से उठो, बैठो. Will be much better than these 2 moves Suman Ji is doing. This I got from Threads because she's on Threads also. Let's see how many followers she has on Threads. She has 18k followers. Okay. 1.4 million subscribers on YouTube, 6 lakh followers on FB, certified dietitian, fitness trainer and yoga expert. उसके बाद लिख देना biggest troll on social media, trolling you with all this horrible information. Like every video of hers is like this. And I don't get it. Why are you doing this? If you are a certified dietitian, fitness trainer and yoga expert, you would know better, right? You would know that all of this is incorrect information. आप थोड़ा text और थोड़ा GIF या थोड़ा B-roll लगा के आप ये बकवास content जो create कर रहे हो, and I don't know why. Why are you doing this? I'm asking you, Suman Ji, why are you doing this? I think you've spent enough years on social media because to get so many followers आपको थोड़ा time investment देना पड़ता है social media पे. So I'm guessing you've spent a couple of years. After spending so many years also, why are you giving such bad information? गुस्सा करवा दिया आंटी जी ने. हट. Next video. Easy exercises for back fat. Thank God, I was tired of seeing belly fat. Now let's see some back fat.
की चर्बी से परेशान है क्या? आप भी इस कमर की चर्बी से परेशान है? ब्लाउज में बड़ा दिक्कत होता है? आप भी बिल्कुल परेशान है? ये वर्कआउट दे रहा हूँ. हाथ ऊपर से.
Yes.
ये दे दिया. दूसरी एक्सरसाइज बिल्कुल इसी वे में, हाथों को गर्दन के पीछे इस प्रकार से एंड देन पीछे पुश. ये देखो, ये पुश मत, इसको बस ऐसे वे में ये. ठीक है, करा किस पे इफेक्ट आया?
चोली के पीछे क्या है? चोली के पीछे
ये जो हम्प वाला एरिया था वो हो गया.
चोली खत्म
है तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तीसरी एक्सरसाइज, हाथों को सामने इंटरलॉक करा एक दूसरे से यस, चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं। 1 3 4, ये क्या कहाँ पर डाल रही है? ये चीज यहाँ पर, ये चीज करी और जस्ट लाइक दैट, ये किसके लिए प्रैक्टिस?
Just like that.
चौथी एक्सरसाइज, एक दूसरे से मिलाओ हाथ एंड देन लाइक दैट, ये बस नीचे
And
नहीं
then
आना,
like
बस
that.
हाथों को ये।
And yes. Don't comment on my armpits. Yeah, and शुरू हो गया. No, Uncle G, you are not getting money from me. You're not. No. बंद कर दिया मैंने. मतलब इतना information, उसके बाद Uncle G is making money of the ads also. Not today, Uncle G. Not today. Uncle G, your video has decent exercises, but they're all warm up. इससे ना belly fat घटेगा, ना back की चर्बी जाएगी, ना side fat घटेगा, ना thigh fat घटेगा, कुछ नहीं घटेगा Uncle G. बस दिमाग थोड़ा घट जाएगा. Oh, good Lord, I'm gonna get cancelled. But so be it. Uncle G has shown a lot of exercises. They are not bad exercises. You can do them for a warm-up, but they're not gonna reduce or burn or anything on your fat. But Uncle G claims it's gonna happen, so it's gonna happen. Dude, Uncle G has gotten over 4.5 million views on this and almost 500 comments and almost 8.6 shares. Uncle G knows. I'm an idiot sitting over here. मेरा तो मतलब 1 लाख subscribers भी नहीं है YouTube पे, and Uncle G is celebrity. I'm a nobody. So why are you listening to me? Just don't listen and see Uncle G and do this and do this. Let's read some comments. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. I think I've been botted. I have been botted. I have been botted. Someone has bots as comments. Very useful. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very useful. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Useful. I am looking for one non-bot comment. Shoulder pain, can't lift arm much. Suggest exercise. Okay. Please show for constipation, testosterone, and frequently urine. He's not a doctor. He can't help you with any of this. He's a bakwas influencer who's spreading bakwas kachra information. Can we do this? If someone has cervical problem, please go to a physiotherapist. Don't look at this joker. My bad. I will not be mean. Sorry. Does he also have a problem locking the buttons of his blouse? Huh? I didn't notice that. क्या है? Buttons of his blouse? Oh, you have to finish watching this ad. Uncle G is gonna make money off me. This is a gambling app video. Trust Uncle G to have gambling apps. Button बंदी तो है. किधर button खुला हुआ है? I don't know what this Sir G is commenting about. You're a very good man, sir. Continue doing per day. Thank you very much. Okay, चलिए next video. Last but not the least. इसको मैं बाद में करूँगी. इसका एकदम खुलासा होने वाला है इस influencer का. Something shouts. Take 20 days and get amazing results only for exercise. 100 times. Second exercise. Third exercise. High knee jumps. I love the song. Dun 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 dun. I don't know why people take warm-up exercises and claim that in 20 days you'll get amazing results. भाई warm-up है. ये ना मैं हर रोज करती हूँ. All these exercises before my actual workout. The actual workout that will help me build strength, mobility, muscles. This is warm-up. This is not gonna do anything. But it is fast weight loss workout. मतलब fast brain loss workout. Not a weight loss, brain loss. 19k likes on YouTube, 18 comments. Either she's deleting her comments or either she is buying likes. One of the two. I don't know which one it is. But we will read the comments. These exercises are more effective, but I have leg pain. Plantar fasciitis. What should I do? Go to a physio? Hi, please suggest diet also for 20 days. You know, this is why some people present free online content, fitness, health content, okay? And free hai. Though they may have put in effort and everything, unka kuch returns. Your returns are what? Your returns are views, likes, comments, shares, right? Those are your returns. The investment is creating the content. Your returns is the traction you get. So that's why people do this clickbait nonsense. Because that's a transaction. सच बोलोगे तो कोई नहीं देखेगा क्योंकि सबको फ्री का कंटेंट चाहिए. फ्री का कंटेंट चाहिए, बट क्लिक बेट मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन वाला कंटेंट चाहिए, इजी कंटेंट चाहिए, कोई टफ कंटेंट देखना ही नहीं चाहता ना। इनको बोलो घर पे या जिम में या कहीं भी जगह स्क्वाट्स करे, थोड़े लंजेस करे, थोड़ा डेडलिफ्ट करे। ये एब एक्सरसाइजेस और जंपिंग जैक्स करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला। But no, you don't want to hear the hard truth, right? You want to see this and give so many likes and views. Battery is dying, I am going and I'm very agitated. I shall see you all very soon with another cringe kachra video. Kachra re. I don't know what I did in this video. Bye.